tutorial, we are discussing about how to use break as a form of GOTO statement. So we all know that Java does not support the GOTO statement. So how can we use break as a form of GOTO? Let's discuss about it. Using break as a form of GOTO. In addition to its uses with the switch statement and loops, the break statement can also be employed by itself to provide a civilized form of the GOTO statement. Java does not have a GOTO statement because it provides a way to branch in an arbitrary and unstructured manner. That usually makes GOTO written code hard to understand and hard to maintain. It also prohibits certain compiler optimizations. There are, however, a few places where the GOTO is a valuable and legitimate construct for flow control. For example, the GOTO can be useful when you are existing from a deeply nested set of loops. To handle such situation, Java defines an expanded form of the break statement. By using this form of break, you can break out of one or more blocks of code. These blocks need to not be part of a loop or a switch. They can be any block. Further, you can specify precisely where execution will resume because this form of break works with a label. As you will see, breaks give you the benefits of GOTO without its problem. So we can make a break with this label. And this is the syntax of the GOTO statement as a break statement. So it solves the problem of GOTO statement and it also helps in the nested loop statement. Break and then label. Label break statement. Here, label is the name of a label that identifies a block of code. When this form of break executes, control is transferred out of the named block of code. The labeled block of code must enclose the break statement, but it does not need to be the immediately enclosing block. This means that you can use a labeled break statement to exit from a set of nested blocks. But you cannot use break to transfer control to a block of code that does not enclose the break statement. Let's see the code, how we can implement this thing. Using break as a civilized form of GOTO. First of all, we make a class, public class break, and inside the class we make a public static void main string args, and inside it we just put a variable, that is boolean t is equals to true, and first, second, third. System.out.println before the break, if t break second, that is break out of the second block. System.out.print this won't be execute. System.out.print this won't be execute, and system.out.print this is after second block. Let's save it and just execute it. Zavak break dot java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java break. It will print the before the break and this is after second block. So it will print that before the break and then we apply the break second. So it will just terminate out of the loop and it just print the last statement, that is this is after the second block. So in this way we can achieve the GOTO statement in the form of break statement. Here we use break and put a label, that is break, and second is a label for break. So with the help of labeled break we can achieve the GOTO statement. Thank you.